What is SWOT analysis? Well, let's find out.
Hey there guys, so let's take a look at SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is something which is one of my favorite frameworks for researching or actually doing business strategy or actually finding a business need. So it's basically like this. So it's strength, let me just write it up, SWOT. So it's strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So to get that in, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a square. It may not be the best, but it'll do for now. Perfect. So we got strengths, then we got weaknesses, then we got opportunities, then we got threats here. So let's see how we connect them. So these are all both internal to the organization, and these are external to the organization. So we compare, we write the strengths for a company, we write the weaknesses, we do the opportunities, we do the threats, and we analyze based on those. Suppose we get this being the high scale and this being the lowest scale, we try to connect a strength from here and an opportunity from here, and we find out how strong is that connection. If that's something worth viable, is this something really worth pursuing or actually going and actually taking out, or whether this weakness can be mitigated in order to compensate for this strength and this threat. So that's something how we do for a SWOT analysis. It's simple as that. It's not much complicated. You just have to remember that we're collecting the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats for a company. So it's simple as that, guys. Now you know what SWOT analysis is, so you can go and start your own research. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.